2024 BMW 5 Series versus 2024 Lexus ES. Fight! BMW has prepared a next-generation 5 Series sedan together with an all-electric i5 variant as well as the performance-oriented M5 Sports sedan for 2024. Although the 5 Series has been redesigned for 2024, it's offered with familiar powertrains and trim levels. The ES sees very few changes for 2024 model year. There will now be two F Sport models in the lineup. The F Sport design, which will continue to be offered with all three powertrains, and F Sport handling, which is available on the ES350 and ES300h. While the BMW comes with different engine options, the ideal one is a 3.0-liter inline-6 turbo that offers 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. The MPG rating for this engine is 26 city and 33 highway, while the only available driveline for this engine is an all-wheel drive. However, a rear-wheel drive option is available for the inline-4 engine. The inline-6 is also paired with an 8-speed auto transmission. MSRP is $58,895 for the base inline-4 and $65,895 for the inline-6. The Lexus ES also comes with many different engine options. However, we are going to be talking about the 3.5-liter V6 that comes with 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. The MPG rating for this engine is 22 city and 32 highway, and although the ES comes with an all-wheel drive option, this engine is only available for front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The MSRP for the ES is $43,190 for the base model and $53,480 for the top trim. Pros for the 5 Series includes plush ride but still subtly athletic, the steering is responsive, and it has better standard tech features than the Lexus ES. Cons include overly complicated infotainment system, lack of actual physical buttons, and leather upholstery is optional. On the other hand, the Lexus ES pros includes optional hybrid engine, excellent ride quality, and a cheaper entry price. However, its cons includes noisy smaller cabin, lack of fold-down rear seats, and sleepy driving dynamics. In summary, it may not be the sports sedan it once was, but the 2024 version of the BMW 5 Series sure does deliver an upscale experience for driver and passengers, and definitely more sportier than the Lexus ES. Its bigger size pushes the boundary of midsize sedans, but also offers a roomy cabin. The ES offers a smooth, comfy driving experience, but if fun behind the wheel is mission critical, you may want to look at the 5 Series instead. Don't forget, the ES may not be as exciting to drive, but it is the best value in the segment with great reliability to top it all off. Let me know in the comments down below which is the winner, the BMW 5 Series or the Lexus ES.